Hey guys, hello and welcome to the channel Programming with Casey. So today we are going to start with the new concept that is method overloading. So today in this video we are going to cover this method overloading with one example. So before that I would like to write some lines over there. So what is method overloading? So when I say if there is a class which has multiple methods, what I'm saying multiple methods. Okay, in that multiple methods it should have the same name. Multiple methods having same name but different parameters. Okay, different parameters but different parameters. Okay, so if this is satisfying, like this multiple methods having same name but different parameters, then it will be known as your method overloading. So why it is used? Because it increases the your readability of the program, and it also increases the flexibility, because when you actually overload the methods at that time, when you call the method, it will print all your message or all your output with the respected parameters, because I said what I said with the but different parameters. So it will run all your methods, right? It is not overriding, it is overloading. It means all the method will execute, right? So yes, so methods are basically differ by number of input parameters. So it will be differ by the number of input parameters, or you can say type of input parameters. So while saying type, so when we write the void, it means that it is not having any written type, but we can create the type of like method type also by int, double, string, whatever it may be. So let's create one example over here. So this is the portion which is considered as a main class, because I had created this file name as a method overloading example. So now I am creating class addition over here. Okay, so in this class basically I am going to create one parameter, I mean method, one method, right? So public int sum. Over here int is the type, you can see now, and I'm saying int x. Okay, it is the one parameter. Int y, it is the second parameter. All right. Now inside this, I'm going to write some logic. Let's say if it is of type int, or if it is without any type, then we are not going to return anything. But in this case, I will return something. That is, I will say that x y. Okay, x plus y. Whatever will be the output is considered as x plus y. Now inside this same class, what I said, I am not overriding it, I am overloading it, right? I will create the method name as int sum only. It means the same method, you can see that int sum, but the number of parameters, right? So number of parameters can be int x over here, I can write int y over here, and int z over here. You can see that there are three numbers, total three parameters. Okay, I will say return all this, and what should be now my answer? X plus y plus z. Okay, all right. There are two methods inside one class with the same method name but different. You can say that same method name and same input type also, but the parameters, number of parameters are different. So for just your sake, I will create one more. I will create over here one more method. Let's say I'm creating it here. I'm saying public double. What I'm saying, public double sum. Now this is of type what? This is of type double. It means that I had changed the input type, right? So you can take any number of parameter. Let me take this double x comma double y. It's okay. So this is fine. I will say return what? X plus y. All right. So observe, now you have the one class, and inside that you have the three methods or three functions, you can say. So this is the data provided inside this entity, that is addition, and I have one more, that is main class. Now I will create the object of the class addition because I want to call this all methods. So what I'll do is I'll simply say addition a is equals to new addition. Okay, yeah, I created that. Now I had declared some parameters. So rule, when we declare some parameter, so while calling the method, inside the parenthesis you need to pass the argument. So that is the rule, we all know that. Okay, so I'm saying that sum over here, sorry, this is why I taken p. Okay, so this is a is the object, and I'm taking this a dot sum, right? A dot sum. Now as I said that I have to take the argument inside, so let me take 5 comma 5. Okay, but this will not print anything because I had only returned that. Okay, so I have to print that also. So let me do the sys out, and this is right, this is correct. Okay, over here I am taking this line again, copy this and I'll paste this below. Okay, so a dot sum you can see over here, and again I'll take this line as, now I have the three number of parameters, so I'll take 6 over here. All right, and inside this you can see that a dot sum, which is I'm having the double, so I can take this as 5.3 comma 5.6. Okay, now just save this, open the console and just run and watch. Okay, so program is running and you will get the output. Okay, sorry guys, so it is running the last example only. Why so we will change that simply. Just hold on. So guys, you can see that I got the output over here. So first one is the 10, second one is the 5 comma 5 comma 6, that is 16, and the third one is the 5 comma 5.3 comma 5.6, that is 10.9, and you are getting this as a 9999. So it is the ALU logic, like arithmetic logical unit, whatever they are performing. So you got the perfect output over here, and this is just the overloading, how we overload the methods, right? So you can overload the functions over here, and if you do the override, you will not get this all the three values, you will get the only one value which will be written in your subclass, and it will override your superclass, right? So why, when we use the overriding at the time of inheritance, and subclass actually override your the method of the superclass, so you will get the only one value at that time, because that is called as a runtime polymorphism, right? And this is the compile time polymorphism. So I hope guys that is clear to you, and we will cover more examples. So that's it for today. If you are liking this video, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe. So we'll see you in the next video. So till that time, take care. Thank you.